La 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 la. La 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 la. You have the option to decide if you want to make Hajj with or without first performing Umrah. In fact, there are three types of Hajj. Hajj only, Umrah followed by Hajj without removing Ihram, and Umrah removing Ihram, then returning to Ihram for Hajj. La 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 la. Hajj only, called Hajj al-Ifrad, simply consists of all the Hajj rites without doing Umrah beforehand. You can certainly make Umrah after Hajj if you wish. Then there's Hajj al-Qiran, which involves entering the state of Ihram once, with the intention of performing Umrah followed by Hajj. Hajj al-Tamattu is probably the most common type of Hajj, particularly among overseas pilgrims, since it allows for more time to visit places like Medina and Quba. Hajj al-Tamattu involves entering the state of Ihram twice, first before you make Umrah, then again before you make Hajj. So the difference with this type of Hajj is that you can take a break from being in a state of Ihram between Umrah and Hajj. La 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 la. Although it may seem that there are many details to remember in Hajj, the most important thing is your intention and your focus on spiritual purpose. Don't be overwhelmed by the details. Choosing a good Hajj tour guide will help you in making your journey easy. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.